Maiera, headquartered in Germany, is one of the world's best-known brands of wheelchairs and rehabilitation aids. As one of its subsidiaries, Alu Rehab Salmon Limited has been developing steadily in the past 2 years. Jan Lagarde-Bruni, Executive Vice President of Maiera Group and General Manager of Alu Rehab Salmon Limited, said that China has a huge market potential and the company will continue to invest in China.
We can see the orders coming in now, so now we are getting back to normal level, and we are introducing new products as well, which we are hoping to boost the sales. So the future looks bright.
Jan Lagarde-Bruni said that the company planned to double the capacity in salmon and is keeping in investing in China, especially in the R&D part.
We are putting a lot of money into R&D and to innovating products. And we also get a lot of support from the government, both from Xiamen government and from Haitang government. It varies a little from year to year depending on which projects we are launching, because some of the projects takes more than 3 years to develop. So we are reinvesting between 5 and 10% of our revenue into R&D, but it depends on the project status.
Jan Lagarde-Bruni is optimistic about China's economy and confident to explore the market in China.
From, should we say, a manufacturing and production company's point of view, China is still the center, and it's still an important part of the world economy. China is a huge potential market for our type of business, without a doubt, no doubt at all. We are looking at potential, and of course the potential is there, as we talked about, in China.